Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your Kia Soul key fob. First, determine if your current fob is lost or broken. Next, you will need to acquire a new, unprogrammed key fob specifically designed for your vehicle model. It's crucial to ensure compatibility before proceeding. This process typically involves more than just a simple battery swap, as the new fob needs to be electronically linked to your car's system. For most Kia Soul models, programming a new key fob requires specialized equipment. Your primary options are visiting an authorized Kia dealership or contacting a certified automotive locksmith. Both professionals have the necessary tools and software to securely link the new fob to your car's immobilizer system. Attempting to program it yourself without the correct equipment will likely be unsuccessful. When you take your vehicle in, expect to pay a service fee for the programming. The cost can vary, but typically ranges between $100 and $250, depending on your location and the service provider. The actual programming procedure itself is usually quite quick, often taking less than 1 hour to complete once your vehicle is with the technician. Once your new key fob has been programmed, thoroughly test all its functions before leaving the service center. Verify that the lock, unlock, and panic buttons operate correctly. Also, ensure the car starts with the new fob. Remember to keep any spare key fobs in a secure location, as having a backup can save you time and money in the future.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.